Football is more than just goals, it's about passion, emotion, and yes, drama. Some players are loved like heroes, but other they're hated by rival fans, by the media, even by their own supporters sometimes. In this video, we're looking at the 10 most hated footballers in the world right now in 2025. Whether it's because of their attitude, their actions, or things they've said, these players have made people angry, annoyed, or just fed up. Some of these players are superstars, but that doesn't mean everyone loves them. Don't forget to comment your most disliked player at the end. Let often and his attitude on the pitch, not great. He complains a lot, he dives, he shows anger when subbed off. Even Brazil fans are losing patience. People says he talks like a star but doesn't play like one, and that's why he's at number 10. Joe Cancelo is another talented defender. He can play on both sides. He attacks well, he's quick, but he's also known for having a big ego. At Manchester City, he argued with Pep Guardiola and left. Then at Bayern Munich, same story. And now at Barcelona, there are already rumors of problems. Fans and managers says he's hard to work with. Some says he cares more about himself than the team. That's why he's on this list. Harry Maguire has become one of the most laughed at player in football, and that's sad because he's not as bad as people say, but he's made too many big mistakes, especially at Manchester United. He was once the world's most expensive defender but never really played like it. The memes, the boos, the pressure, it all added up. Even when he plays well now, many fans just can't forget the past, and some even boo him for no reason. At number 7, we has Rasmus Højlund. He's strong, fast, and still young, but his behavior makes fans angry. He celebrates like he's won the Champions League after scoring one goal. He argues with defenders, screams at referees, and acts like a superstar even though he still has a lot to prove. Some says he's confident, others says he's just arrogant, and that's why people are starting to dislike him. Even through PK retired, he's still in the spotlight. His Kings League is popular but also seen as silly by traditional fans. He speaks out on politics, make bold statements, and doesn't hold back online. Some fans loves his honesty, but many other things he just wants attention instead of fading away like other legends. PK is always in the news and not always in the good way. Alright, we're halfway through. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the video, and let us know in the comments, do you think any of these players are unfairly hated? Let's keep going. Jordan Pickford is England's number 1 goalkeeper. He had great moments like at the Euros, but he's also loud, aggressive, and sometimes just too much. He wastes times, yells at defenders, and plays with a lot of emotion. Some fans says he's annoying to watch, especially if he's not on your team. Other thinks he's just passionate. Either way, he's a very love or hate player. Neymar should be on the one of the greatest ever, but over the years, his injuries, off-pitch life, and diving have made him fans lost respect. He misses games because of small injuries, then shows up partying the next day. He still has amazing skills, but people say he cares more about fame than football in 2025. He's not a hero, he's just famous. Number 3 is Debut Martinez, who helped Argentina win the World Cup, but he didn't win over everyone. He shouts during penalties, dances, and even made fun of players like Mbappe. Some says he's just playing mind games, others says he's being disrespectful. Either way, many people see him as a villain, especially when he wins. Number 2 is Cristiano Ronaldo, who is one of the best ever, no doubt. But as he's gotten older, his attitude has changed. He gets angry when he doesn't score. He leaves the pitch early. He says that he deserves more respect. Some fans still love him because, and many are tired of his drama. They say he should focus on his dream, on his team, not on his image. At number 1, it's Kylian Mbappe. He's fast, talented, and one of the best in the world. But fans are getting annoyed. Every year there's a drama about contracts, clubs, money. He acts like the star of every match. Sometimes he refuses to pass, sometimes he walks around the pitch. People says he's selfish and hard to like, and that's why in 2022 he's the most hated player in football. Here you go, our list of 10 most hated footballers in 2025. Some of these players are amazing on the pitch, but being good at football doesn't always mean people will like you. Do you agree with the list? Did we miss someone? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want a video on the most loved footballers next, let us know. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.